Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mark, and today I just felt like I needed to give away another file to my beloved group members. So I was originally going to make a set of these and sell them, but I decided, no, I'd rather give it to you instead. So this is a curved sided box here that you can use for all kinds of things. And it also comes with an optional divider there that you can put inside. And you can also put the lid on it just like this if you prefer as well. It can be used for a lot of different things again, and you can make it wide open inside if you prefer. I'm going to walk you through the parts of this. I'm going to also show you how it goes together and give you a couple of thoughts along the way. So let me go full speed here and take this apart, and I'll talk about all the parts. All right, so I'm going to show you here in the camera what the pieces look like, and we'll also see what they look like in the file as well. So first of all, the long piece is just the one, what it appears to be, is this one right here that has all the score lines in it, or I'm sorry, the cut lines in it. And this has been curved for about a month, I think now, so it's kind of temporary or almost completely permanently curved like this. The wood that I used is it's about just a little over a 1/4 inch thick maple plywood. Do not use hardwood with this because it will not cut well or will not bend well. And you also want to do the cut lines here along with the grain of the wood. Don't do it opposite the grain because it's just going to try to fight and break on you. Honestly, you're going to have to experiment with this because some woods bend better than others. I tried just regular MDF on this. It didn't work well for me, so you're going to have to figure that out as well. I will show you close to the camera here in just a second. There's one little place that's stressed a little bit. See if you can see that right there. But it's been doing fine other than that. But again, this is really cool, but you got to really be careful what materials you use. So there's this one long piece right here. And then you've got the top and the bottom. And I'll show you on this one of the keys to this. All of these slots here look the same, but there's one right here that's longer than the other. And here's where it is here in the file on the bottom there. That is where these tabs go, where the two pieces come together right here. These tabs right there and right there go into the longer set of holes. I hope that makes sense. So let me see if I can put this together live with you. That's always a dangerous thing, but I'll give it a shot. So there's the long slot, and I'm going to hold these all together here and see if I can put the bottom on, just like this. I'm going to have to put it down. Sorry, I know you won't be able to see me working here, but I got to put it down for a second so I can see what I'm doing. And I found on this that if you put together the three pieces that are along the middle of the piece, 1, 2, 3 first, and then put the final two in, that's a little easier. Go just like that. There you go. And then I'll put the top on, which is just that ring right here. And there's the widest set right there. Oh, and if you're going to put the dividers in, you got to put them in now because it won't fit after you put that in there. The dividers are just simple too, like this. And they go together just like that. They don't have to be real tight. In fact, this is really loose. Just make sure that your material is not too thick for this, and you'll see a sample slot there in the design that's 0.1347. All right, so you put those together, slide it in just like that, and then put on your top. Now, at this point, you can probably start wherever you want. I started right now just on the two pieces that are coming together there for the wide slot and just work my way around it. Get them all lined up. Like that. Let me fix that for a second. There we go. There we go. Okay. Sorry, I got to put it down again. It is a whole lot easier when I'm looking down in it rather than trying to hold it up in the air for a camera. I'm sure when you try this, it'll be the same way for you. All right. And there we go. There's the dividers, and then if you want to use the lid, you can, and it goes just like that. And that's how this box works. I think it's a lot of fun, and I'd love to see what you guys make with it. It's really pretty cool. Just make sure you measure your materials first for all those slots right there, And be patient with bending the wood as well. Make sure you do it with the grain, not against. But that's all for you, for free. Love to see what you guys make with it.